Ready to fall in love with your next home? Let's go! Welcome to 8743 West Telfair Circle in the Cape, Wilmington, North Carolina. This charming brick home blends comfort and style in perfect harmony. With 3 bedrooms and 3 baths and open floor plan, this home is designed for entertaining. Enjoy the open floor plan, a cozy corner fireplace, and a chef's kitchen with a gas stove. Step outside to your private backyard oasis featuring a Trex deck leading to an in-ground pool and versatile wired shed. Perfect for a pool house, storage, or workshop. The first floor master retreat boasts a walk-in shower, custom vanity, and spacious custom closet. Upstairs, you will find the bonus rooms ready for your game room, guest suite, or extra living space, complete with a wet bar, fireplace, and full bath. Community perks: walking trails and a brand new pool and clubhouse opening summer 2024. Plus, you're close to vibrant City of Wilmington and the serene beaches of Pleasure Island. And yes, for peace of mind, a 1-year home warranty is included. Don't miss out on this dream home. Schedule your tour today.